In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Squarespace version. Whether you're troubleshooting, looking to upgrade, or simply curious, knowing your Squarespace version is crucial for making informed decisions about your website. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to easily determine which version of Squarespace your website is currently using. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Squarespace website. It's the starting point for everything we're going to do today. Once you're there, the next step is to log in to your account. Look for the login button, which you should find relatively easily on the home page. Squarespace has made it straightforward by offering several options for logging in, including using your email or various social media accounts to access your Squarespace dashboard. For the sake of simplicity, let's proceed by clicking on Continue with Google. This option allows you to log in using your Google account, which is incredibly convenient if you prefer to keep all your logins centralized. After selecting this option, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to log in with. Click on your account, assuming you have already connected it to your Squarespace account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your Squarespace site. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Squarespace dashboard. Here you'll find all the websites you manage. Click on the specific website for which you want to find the Squarespace version. This selection will take you deeper into the settings and configurations of your chosen site. Up next, you're going to navigate to the Pages section of your website's settings. This can usually be done by either looking for a Pages menu item or by following a direct link if you have one. The Squarespace interface is designed to be intuitive, so finding your way to the Pages section should be quite simple, even for first timers. Once you're in the Pages section, you're closer to uncovering the information you came for. At this point, Squarespace shows you an overview of all the pages on your site, organized in a way that's easy to understand and manage. However, we're here for something a bit more specific than page management. Now here's a critical step. Scroll down until you see the Squarespace version of your website displayed. It might not be immediately obvious, so take your time to look around. The version number is usually located towards the bottom of the page or in the footer. It's a small detail, but it's precisely what you need. The version number might look something like version 7.1 inches or similar, depending on which iteration of Squarespace your website is utilizing. At this point, you might be wondering, why is knowing my Squarespace version important? Well, the version number impacts everything from the templates you can use, the features available to you, and how you'll go about editing and updating your site. Different versions come with different capabilities and limitations, so understanding where your site stands is key to making the most out of Squarespace. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully located the version of Squarespace your website is currently using. This knowledge allows you to more accurately troubleshoot any issues you may encounter, take full advantage of the platform's available features, and make informed decisions when considering upgrades or changes to your site. Remember, keeping your website up to date and understanding its underlying frameworks, like its Squarespace version, are crucial aspects of effective site management and development. If you're looking to explore more about what your Squarespace version can do for you, or if you have any other site management questions, diving into the help guides Squarespace offers or reaching out to their customer support are excellent next steps. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to find your Squarespace version. With this knowledge in hand, you're better equipped to manage your website and utilize all the features Squarespace has to offer. Happy website building, and see you in the next video.